Assalamu alaikum, this is Mohammed Khair, math teacher of KKI schools. Our mission today is how we can add and subtract fractions. Okay, we will start with 27. Yaman, read.
1 over 2 plus negative and 7 over 2.
And?
Negative 7 over 2.
Yes, it is 1 over 2 plus negative 7 over 2 or minus 7 over 2. Okay, first of all, in adding and subtracting fractions, you have to pay attention down here, okay? And if they are like this example, so everything it is running okay. So if they are like, ignore them, okay? Ignore them. Don't look down for a while, okay? And look up. 1 plus minus 7, yes? We agreed before, or made agreement, that the positive number, what inside your pocket?
Yes.
Okay, so inside your pocket here, you have how many real?
1.
It is 1. And the grocery guy ask you to give him or to pay back his money. And what is
His money he want from you 7.
yes? He said, please pay back the 7 real. Yes.
Yes.
So you have to pay him what inside your pocket. Pay him 1 real, yeah, man.
I give him 1 real.
Okay, so
It will be 1 plus negative 7. It will be negative 6.
It is negative 6. Why it is negative 6, yeah, man?
Because 1 minus negative 7 equal negative 6.
Not in this story. I have to, after you give him what you have here, okay, he still want from you
6.
So the 6 here, he wanted from you 6. So the answer is 6 real. So because the 6 is for the grocery guy, it is negative 6.
Yes.
Okay. Now let us complete. We said we ignore here, yes?
Yeah.
Now we come back and we know that the answer
Is
negative 6 over what?
Over 2.
Over 2. Okay. And as you know before, 6 over 2, it is equal?
3.
3. And we keep
The negative.
the negative here.
So he want from you negative 3.
Okay. So the answer is negative 3. We done from he want or what we have. Okay. Okay, now let us move here. Here we have a problem here, man. What is the problem that we have here?
Negative 2 over 3 plus negative 3 over 5.
I ask you about the problem here, man. What is the problem?
We have 2 negatives.
No, we ignore the negative now. We don't look at the negative now. We have to look.
The denominator are not the same.
Yes, the denominator are not the same. So we have to fix this problem. As we learned before, we find the LCM, least common multiple. Okay, what's this, teacher? You have to multiple the 3 and multiple the 5.
And where they meet is
First,
the answer.
Yes. Where they meet?
And 15.
In 15. So the LCM between the 3 and the 5 is 15.
So the 5 we multiply it by 3 and the 3 by 5.
Good, good. So this is by 5 as you said. And what we do down, we have to do up. And here?
By 3 and up by 3.
So we have here a new fractions now. We have to rewrite.
Negative 10 over.
Yes, negative 10. Yes, okay. Negative 10 over 15 plus negative 9 over 15.
Yes.
Now we have a new question here. Yes.
Yes.
Now how we can deal with this question, Yaman?
First, you'll ignore the denominator.
Ignore it because they are alike. Yes.
And you have in your pocket 10. And the
wait. How you said?
No. You
Wait. Now in your pocket for the positive number. Yes. Okay. This is your pocket. Okay. The first number is negative. It is not
Yes.
yours. And the second number here is
It's
negative. It is not yours. So you have 0 inside your pocket. Yes?
Yes.
And the guy of the grocery now,
He wants from you
Wait.
19.
wait, yes, you are right, but step by step. The first number he wanted from you, he's shouting, he said, give me the 10 real and give me
The 9 real.
and the 9 real. Yes, so
You
the
have
total he wanted from you.
Negative 19.
So the answer is negative 19 because the 10 and the 9 for the grocery, yes?
Yes.
And you have nothing inside
Your book.
your pocket.
And we ignore in the denominator now the 19, negative 19 over 15.
Yes, it is negative 19 over 15. Okay, so
Yeah.
this is the answer. And what's kind of this of this
mixed.
fraction?
We will make it mixed.
We will make it mixed, but this fraction have a name.
Improper.
Improper fraction. We can write it as a mixed number. It is equal what?
1 and 4 over 15.
Yes, 1 and 4 over 15. You can do this step or not. It is depend on. Okay. So we add the negative. Don't miss the negative here. Okay. Now let us move to the next question here. Can you read it?
Yeah. 1 over 8 minus 3 over 4.
Very good. Now we have a problem here.
Yeah, the denominator are not the same.
So what we have to do here?
With the 4 multiply 2, it will equal 8.
So directly you multiply this by 2 and this by 2 and rewrite the question
1
again.
over 8 minus 6 over 8.
Okay, this is the first problem. I solve it. Now the second problem.
We will ignore the denominators.
Okay, ignore the denominators, yes.
And you have 1.
Wait. Inside your pocket, Yaman, you have 1 real. And the guy of the grocery.
He wants 6.
Yes.
He shout.
Yes, he shout you and he want his money. He wants 6 real. Yes.
Yes.
And he asked you to give me my money back. Yes.
Yes.
So you put your hand in your pocket and you find 1 and you give him the 1 real here.
So it is negative 5.
So the answer?
Negative 5.
So the answer is negative 5.
And we ignore the denominator, so it is 8. Negative 5 over 8.
So the answer is negative 5 over
8. Because it's proper, we will not make it mixed.
Yes. And now the last question here. Here, before do anything, look, we have double minus here.
So it will be addition.
Yes, so it will be 7
Over
over 16 plus 1 over
2.
Now we move to the second problem, which is?
The denominator.
It is different, yes?
So the 2 by 8.
Yes.
And the 1 by 8 also. So we have a new question which is 7 over 16 plus 8 over 16. Which equal 15 over 16.
Yes, directly it is 15 over 16 because this number inside your pocket, let me draw it please. Let me draw it, I like to draw. Inside your pocket, okay, you have
7.
Wait, you have here in the left or on the right you have 8 here and you have 7 here. So if you, that means that totally what you have 15, then you add
the denominator.
Okay, but some of students add 16 plus 16 is correct, yeah,
No, it's wrong. Only put 1.
Only put 116. Thank you for watching, and I hope you get all the benefit from this part in adding and subtracting fractions. Goodbye.